Connecting Klarna to Shopify is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open Chrome and type Shopify store in the search bar. Then, click on the Shopify website link. Once there, click on the Start Free Trial button. Choose the option that says I am just starting, and proceed by clicking Skip All. Next, select your country or region. For instance, I chose Pakistan, and then click the Next button. You will be prompted to add your Google account to the Shopify website. After logging, when the Shopify dashboard is open, you can see a lot of buttons here: Home, Products, Customers, Content, Analysis, and many more. However, you have to click on the Settings button, which is located at the bottom left side. After clicking on it, you need to click on the Payments button and then click on the Add Payment Method button. After that, you have to search for Klarna in the search bar. Then, you need to click on the Activate button. Afterward, you have to click on the Connect button, and then you must connect your Google account. After this step, the Shopify dashboard will open, and you will see that Shopify is pointing towards the ping pong checkout. This is the Klarna app. Finally, you have to click on the Install button. Your Shopify will be connected to Klarna, and it's done. This is how you can connect Klarna to Shopify.